Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to manifest your desires? Well, Neville Goddard has a simple yet profound solution that will change the way you think about manifestation forever. Hi there, welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the world of personal development and explore the secrets of the mind. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most powerful and transformative philosophies in the world of manifestation. And that's feeling is the secret, according to Neville Goddard. This concept has the power to change your life, and in this video, we're going to be exploring it in depth, so make sure you're paying close attention. Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher and author who lived in the early 20th century. He was a charismatic and insightful speaker, and his teachings have inspired countless people around the world to change their lives for the better. Neville believed that the key to manifestation was not in what we do or what we think, but in how we feel. And this is the foundation of his philosophy. Feeling is the secret. At its core, feeling is the secret is a philosophy that teaches that our feelings are the key to creating the life we want. Neville believed that our thoughts and actions are just a reflection of our underlying feelings, and that if we want to change our reality, we need to change the way we feel. When we focus on feeling good and experiencing positive emotions, we send a powerful signal to the universe that we're ready for good things to come into our lives. And this is what attracts abundance and happiness into our lives. Feeling, according to Neville Goddard, is the acceptance of what we want as already being real. In other words, feeling is the experience of living as though our desires have already been fulfilled. It's the process of allowing ourselves to fully immerse in the experience of having what we want, even if it hasn't physically manifested yet. When we feel as though our desires have already come to pass, we're sending a powerful message to the universe that we're ready for it, and this is what attracts it into our lives. One of the key elements of feeling is the secret is learning how to get into the feeling of having what we want. Neville taught that we can use our imagination to create vivid, sensory-rich images in our minds of the life we want, and then imagine ourselves living that life as if it's already real. By doing this, we create powerful feelings of excitement, joy, and gratitude. And these feelings then attract more of what we want into our lives. The key to getting the feeling is to use all of your senses to imagine the experience of having what you want. For example, if you want a new car, imagine yourself sitting in the driver's seat, feeling the leather upholstery against your skin, and the steering wheel in your hands. Imagine yourself starting the engine and feeling the vibration as it comes to life. The more real you make the experience in your mind, the more real it will become in your reality. According to Neville, the universe is responsive to our feelings, not our thoughts or actions. He taught that the universe is like a giant mirror, reflecting back to us exactly what we feel inside. So if we focus on feeling good and experiencing positive emotions, we'll attract positive experiences into our lives. On the other hand, if we focus on feeling negative emotions, we'll attract negative experiences into our lives. The power of feeling lies in its ability to shape our reality. When we feel good, we send a signal to the universe that we're ready for good things to come into our lives. And this is what attracts abundance and happiness into our lives. By contrast, when we focus on feeling negative emotions, we send a signal to the universe that we're not ready for good things to come into our lives, and this is what attracts negative experiences into our lives. This process works similarly like law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. When we focus on feeling good and experiencing positive emotions, we're emitting a positive vibration that attracts positive experiences into our lives. The same is true of negative emotions. If we focus on feeling negative emotions, we're emitting a negative vibration that attracts negative experiences into our lives. One of the best ways to understand feeling is the secret is to see it in action. Let's take a look at a few real-life examples of how this philosophy can change your life. Example 1. Manifesting a new job. Let's say you're looking for a new job, but you've been having trouble finding one that fits your skills and interests. According to Feeling is the Secret, the key to finding the perfect job is to focus on feeling good about yourself and your abilities. Imagine yourself in your ideal job, doing what you love and feeling confident and competent in your abilities. Feel the excitement and joy of doing what you love every day, and imagine yourself receiving compliments and recognition for your work. This will attract positive feelings and experiences into your life, and it will help you find the perfect job. Example 2. Manifesting a new relationship. Maybe you're looking for a new romantic relationship, but you're feeling lonely and unsure about the future. Again, Neville would suggest that you shift your focus from these negative feelings to positive ones. Visualize yourself in a happy, loving relationship and imagine the feelings of joy, passion, and excitement that come with it. By focusing on these positive feelings, you'll be sending a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready for a new relationship, and the universe will respond. Example 3. Manifesting abundance and financial success. Perhaps you're looking for financial abundance and success, but you're feeling anxious and stressed about money. Neville would suggest that you focus on feeling confident and grateful for the abundance that's already in your life. Visualize yourself having all the money you need, and imagine the feelings of gratitude and excitement that come with it. By focusing on these positive feelings, you'll be sending a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready for financial abundance, and the universe will respond. It's important to remember that Feeling is the Secret is not just about visualizing what you want, but about feeling it as if it's already real. Neville believed that the key to manifestation was not just in what we think, but in how we feel, and that's why feeling is so important. When we focus on positive feelings, we send a powerful signal to the universe that we're ready for the good things we want to come into our lives, and the universe responds by bringing us more of what we want. If you want to start manifesting your desires and creating the life you've always dreamed of, put Neville Goddard's Feeling is the Secret philosophy into practice. Start by focusing on the feeling of having what you want and using your imagination to bring that feeling to life. The more you practice this, the more real it will become in your life. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends and family so they can benefit from this powerful manifestation tool too. And if you want to learn more about personal development and the secrets of the mind, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. We'll see you in the next one.